My name is Mukasa Polo. I work with Uganda National Action on Physical Disability as a director. UNAPI, like other DPOs or like other civil society organizations in the country, we don't actively participate in active politics, which means that we are a non-partisan organization. But despite being that we're non-partisan, that does not mean that we take away our role or the mandate of working together with stakeholders, with different players in the election processes to see or to ensure that persons with disabilities free and independently participate in the free and fair elections. As the world still grapples with the COVID-19 and as Uganda still struggles with the COVID-19 pandemic, which has led into a new normal, the new normal, which is currently the slogan of today, should not really exclude the needs of persons with disabilities. UNAPID, we want to work with stakeholders into these scientific forthcoming elections to ensure that no one is left behind. We want to urge political parties in Uganda who are organizing a lot of electional activities, the nominations, the CAMUFUs, to not forget that even persons with disabilities, they're active leaders, they can participate, they can be leaders, they have the right to vote, they have the right to be voted. So create an environment which is very conducive for them, create an environment which is very conducive for everyone, that they can actively be involved in all the processes of elections. I want to urge the Electoral Commission, which is the supreme organ of the country, managing the election process into the country, that the forthcoming elections of 2021 should be free and fair. And that fair and fairness, we want to see persons with disabilities enjoying and active and free and independently be part of the process. We want to see Electoral Commission organizing polling centers or polling stations which are physically accessible to the needs of persons with physical disabilities. We want to see polling agents. We want to see returning office or Electoral Commission having the skills of sign language to be able to help those who cannot speak, who have difficult access to information, or communication barriers. And lastly, I want to urge the persons with disabilities out there that it is your right to participate. It is your right, as the Constitution says, that it is your right to participate in elections. Come up, offer yourself to be leaders of others. Be the voices of those who are down there, who can be heard by the majority of people, who cannot be heard because they're marginalized. Come out and offer yourselves to the leaders of tomorrow, and I assure you, the out there the country will see you. The operations vote you as leaders of the country to really voice out the voices who needs into national development programs. I thank you all. I wish you the